Hello again, everyone. My name is Sarah, and these are all my strings. And I am going to show you over 30 different keychains that you can crochet. I use 4-ply worsted weight yarn for all of my keychains, so I don't use chunky yarn. I feel like you can get a lot more detail when you make these smaller items. All of these are really easy to make. I sell them for $5 each at my market, so let's get into it. The first one I have here is a little rainbow I make. This is, I just do a circle and then I fold it in half and connect it with the red. So I start at the purple, work my way up, and then fold it in half, do my red. And then I decided to add these little clouds on the bottom. I think it just puts it together, sets it off really cute. The next one I have roses. I have 3 different colors. I'll just show them all to you. These ones, I was actually really surprised how easy they were to make. I saw a little video on Facebook. It was, you just basically made a circle, like a big circle, and then rolled it up and folded it in half. Like, I don't know how to describe it other than that. It's super easy to do. Didn't take very long at all. I have a few different strawberries. I got some red ones right here. Super cute. The first one I did ended up, not this one. I did a different one that was really long and it looked more like a chili pepper. So I had to redo my pattern. This one, kind of case in point, it's a little long, but it's still really cute. And I got this one. It is covered in chocolate, like a chocolate covered strawberry, if you will. I thought that was really adorable. Good idea. This is actually the only ice cream cone I have, which I'm even surprised at myself for that. I should definitely make some more, but I thought that this was really adorable. It's mint chocolate chip, very easy to make. All of these work up in like 15 minutes, I feel like, even with the worsted weight yarn, like they don't take that long. Maybe I'm just fast, but this is a little potted cactus, uh, all one piece. I thought it was pretty adorable. And I've made quite a few bees. I hear these are really popular. Um, yeah, just super easy. I only have one of these made. I should definitely make some more. This is a watermelon, obviously. I think that the sparkly yarn really just sets this one off, like a little watermelon slice. This is a little mushroom. It's not one of the popping ones. I just tried to make a little mushroom. It's the only one I made. Not a fan. I didn't follow any pattern. I just kind of winged it. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of this one, but I tried it. As far as chickens go, I hear that chickens are very popular right now. So I have 3 different color chickens that I have made. Dark brown, light brown, and white. So these super cute, super easy to make, you guys, like very easy to make. I had a lot of the times when I find patterns on YouTube, everyone seems to be using that chunky yarn. So I just kind of adjust it for my needs and make my own pattern. So I have also made a couple different ducks. These are my own pattern. You can actually see the one in the background right here. This isn't a keychain, but this is a pattern that I followed on YouTube. And it was too big for a keychain, which is what I wanted it for. So I took that and I adjusted it and came out with these. One of them has wings and one of them doesn't. Which one's your favorite? The one with wings or without? I think I like the one with wings. I'm kind of obsessed with rubber ducks. Those of you who know me, I have about 400. I'm not even joking. So, I mean, they're literally everywhere. But I think I like the ones with the wings better. So I have made a couple donuts. And I'm really surprised. I have tons of jumbo donuts and bigger ones, but these are the only keychain ones I have made so far. I'm kind of surprised at myself at that. But, you know, it is what it is. I think they're really cute still. This is just a pom-pom I have made. These are the colors for a local team. So I thought that maybe this might be popular at one of the markets I'm at. This is a cosmic brownie. I thought that that would be a really cute idea. I even did the little line in the center of it. And I only have one of these. It took a little bit, actually, this one took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to take, but still really easy to make. It's just a rectangle, and I just stitched this through and pulled it tight and And one thing that you should know too, I brought it up in the last video, but whenever I do sprinkles like this in any donut, ice cream, anything like that, whenever it's rainbow, I use the single variegated yarn. Because I feel like it's much easier to just weave one piece of string through there rather than, 10 different colors. And obviously this is an Oreo. It's the only one I have. Super easy, just 3 circles and sew it all together. I mean, can't get any easier than that, right? These are some sunflowers I have made. Also very easy. Super easy to do, guys. This works up in like 5 minutes, not even long. In that regard, I got a couple daisies. For those of you who love daisies, this is just a puff stitch. Just brings that out. It's really cute. This next one I'm actually really excited about. It's very unique in my eyes. I haven't seen anything like it. But these are little books, and I have super glued real paper into here. And so this is stitched closed. You can't open it. But this is a little book right here. And I actually have like, where are they? I have about 3 more that I need to put the papers into. I have these already made up. I got to put the paper into them. I like that design better. But this is one I made with an actual button. And I thought that that was really cute. And it just kind of goes from the back, and it's kind of strapped over, and it's like a little diary. And like I said, there's real paper in there. So I thought that was like a really cute, unique idea for any like book lover. This would make a really cute gift for any kind of book lover, honestly. This next one I think is kind of funny. Oh, the camera's backwards, but this is an F-bomb. I thought that that was adorable. And I made this. I just honestly just did a slip knot with that. And I took this wire brush, and you just take it, and that's how you get the string like this. It's so easy, you guys. Just make sure you're doing it on a surface that is not going to damage it, because this will damage surfaces. So just be careful when you do that. The last rack I have, I made this little cupcake, chocolate cupcake with this cherry on top. Sorry, my brain. These are actually the only cupcakes I have. I had some other sparkle ones, but I gave those away. Everyone seems to love these, but this is really easy to make, you guys. So easy to make. I have 3 different types of slices: orange, lime, and lemon. These are very easy to make, as you can tell. They're just in the rounds. And yeah, you just stitch it through. I mean, doesn't get any easier than that. And they're so cute. They're so adorable. See, I have made, I didn't have the right green. Honestly, I'll be the first one to tell you that. This is supposed to be a kiwi. Yeah, not a big fan of that one. This is a grapefruit. No, dragon fruit. This is a dragon fruit. I thought it was kind of cute. Big fan of that one. Another one I wanted to show you is this little toilet paper roll. I actually made this with real cardboard from a toilet paper roll. I cut it up in about an inch, rolled it, and I used super glue. I just super glued. This is all made with single crochet, and I just made a strip of it, and I just glued it on there and sewed it into itself. And yeah, it's the cutest thing ever. Okay, it's kind of funny, but it's really cute. I have made a few different color coffee cups. I thought these were adorable. They got different color coffee for those who like a creamer and those who like their coffee dark. Just super easy, very easy to make. I mean, that works up and faster than anything, honestly. Last but not least, I have made 3 different types of Pop-Tarts. I think that these are the cutest things ever. Let me get them all set up for you guys. Super cute. I mean, these are the cutest little things ever. And if you look at my last video where I made the card charms, I have this one in a pom-pom. And a card charm, like a rearview mirror hanger. And so I think I might do some other ones, but aren't those just so adorable, you guys? Like, this one was made with a variegated yarn, just like a black and brown variegated yarn to give it that cookie effect, and then it just did the black zigzags. Super easy, stuff it through, and yeah, very easy to do. Oh, and I have actually one more. I haven't put a keychain on it yet, but this is an eyeball. I used one of the safety eyes and I kind of just stitched the veins through, and I will put the keychain up on here. So that's just a weird fun idea, you know, just to make it fun. I like unique ideas. I like thinking outside the box, like with the books, you know, and the bombs. Uh, but yeah, let me know which one was your favorite. I had a lot of fun with these. I'm really looking forward to see which ones sell the best at the market that I have coming up. And so I will be sure to get back to you which ones sell the best. Let me know if you want a tutorial on how to make any of these. They're super easy. It'd be really easy to show you guys. I am confident that anybody can do them. They're really beginner friendly. So yeah, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.